What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. ICT said himself that this is the only strategy that he would trade for the rest of his life, one setup. If you want to go on my channel, I have this video here. He said it himself.
Everything that given out code, I had to just choose one of them. It would be sensei distribution of the money or sensei accumulation of the money. And I can make as much money as everyone, and then we do anything else with anything else. Okay, so another next time for
If you want to go watch that video, it's on my channel, the full length video. It's about 7 minutes. The actual video is about a few hours long. So let's get into this trade. Now, backtesting it, I also traded it live this morning and used this model. So it works. Okay. You can get funded with it. You can find success in your trading with it. Happens on all time frames. It's not unique to just one time frame. All right. So we're here. We're going to be trading market maker buy models and sell models. Okay. So market maker sell model is going to have the original consolidation, accumulation, smart money reversal, you're going to have your low risk sell, redistribution, back down towards the original consolidation. Okay. So you're going to have something like this. That looks like a curve. Okay. Now, remember this. This is market maker sell model. Okay. If it was a buy model, it would be you just flip this to a U shape. Okay. But this is a mountain. Now, with all that being said, try to get all this. So all that being said, live this morning, you can see this here. We have this mountain down, right? Here we're on the 30-second chart. Now, you don't need to use the 30-second chart. I'm using 30-second chart, and that's how I scale into this trade. I believe ICT took the same trade as me this morning on NASDAQ, but I was on ES this morning. Okay. So he says you're going to want price to run down to 50% of the initial run up. Okay. Then you're going to get a reaccumulation, or it's going to rally again. And that's going to be where you can look to start entering and scaling in. All right. So we have our original consolidation right around here. Right. Then we move up again. Then we come in here one more time. And then we get our reversal. Okay. If we measure this run up from the original consolidation down here, this whole run here, once we get this drop down, where does it drop to? 50%, right? Now, if we go back to the video,
this is the model. I'll never teach anything else. This is the point. I'll never teach anything. You're not doing books that we deal like that. If it was just my release, I'll just only break down there. October 7th, 2023. All of you know what I'm doing about. Okay, it's not right now. It's very sensitive on the part of the outside of the sales sector. They're directly linked to both sides. They could have a relation with one another. It's not support resistance. It's a logic. I would be aiming for it. I'm going to wait for it to sell off and create another opportunity to sell off. But at least pierce 50% of when the 100 down to sell off. It has to drop at least 50%.
Do that 50%. So we drop 50%. We re-rally here into a fair value gap. I believe there's one on the 1 minute too. Okay. So we rally down 50% and then we come back up into this order block on the 1 minute with the fair value gap, shorted here and again here, and then we drop down and I hit one more time again in here, okay, towards targeting underneath 50%, this sell side and this sell side. Okay, I got about here. The original sell side consolidation is right in here, but we also had a 4 minute fair value gap that it tapped into before we continued up. Okay, but this is a 1 minute macro time fractal sell model. Okay, ICT himself uses this. Okay, again, accumulation, reaccumulation, smart money reversal. We rally down 50% of the run. Fair value gap, right? We get displacement with the market structure shift in here. Market structure shift, displacement. Now you can also take a fib from this high to this low and get your optimal trade entry. We tap 79, 70, and 62. You can be a seller anywhere in here as well, targeting 0 or 27 as your take profit. Okay. Now I use it again at the end of the day in the second stage of redistribution towards this sell side. Okay. We came up, tapped into a 15-minute fair value gap on the higher time frame. We dropped down. I scaled down to the 30-second time frame. Okay. This was the 315 to 345. Macro, right? Drop down. We have our market structure shift. Displacement, come back in, sell. I had this sell side as the target, but I got out with a little quick scalp. I was trailing my stops. So when it came back up, it took me out here, but this was my target for sell side. Okay. Now, if you want to elevate your trading and learn how I trade specifically, join the Discord. The link is down below. It's one-time payment for $50. That's it. $50 one time. You're in for lifetime. Trade with me live Tuesday through Thursday. See my analysis, how I trade, ICT concepts, silver bullet on ES futures. Tons and tons of value in here. Everyone's getting, a lot of people are getting funded with us, learning with us, getting payouts on their own. So awesome community in here. You know, tons of people in here. We do giveaways for challenges every 100 people. So we're almost on 300. So get it in and be a part of that next giveaway. I mean, one time $50. How can you beat that? If you want the boot camp, it's every Monday. We go in depth for 2 hours. It's $97. You get both the Discord for lifetime and the boot camp for the month of October for $97. Or if you don't want any of that, you just want the masterclass where you can watch and study all that you want on your own. It's on discount right now for a one-time payment, and you get access to that, lifetime updates, everything. So don't miss out on this one-time limited time discount for lifetime membership, one payment. And I hope you guys enjoyed this live trading here on what's today, the 9th, Monday the 9th. So lots of gems in here. Feel free to watch this back slower, go over it, or if you want help, go back and watch this video also on my channel, and he breaks down everything on what you can look for. Until next time, guys, don't forget to hit the like, comment below, subscribe. Until next time, trade safe.